let's talk about leadership pool. Now, check out, first of all, these actual earnings that leaders around the world are earning in leadership pool. These are real sums of money added on top of their normal commissions. But how can you get yours? In 2 easy steps. Now, first, all you have to do is qualify in one of the ranks between Diamond and Bronze Elite and bring in a new Fast Start person each and every month. That's it. And when you do this, you can earn dividends that will help pay you an estimate of about $100 per dividend. And the higher you rank, the more you get. And that can be between $300 and $1,800 in a quarter. But you can earn so much more. Now, when you take that same effort and you now grow your 6th level volume by 5%, you can double that same bonus. So that $300 to $1,800 we're talking about, that now becomes $600 to $3,600 depending on the rank that you qualify. And it could be even more than that. Let's look at it from a real life perspective. A Diamond who's earning on average $493 per month, when they add in their rapid rewards and their leadership bonus and doubling that leadership bonus, they're increasing their earnings by over 50%. This is an important pool for any leader to participate in.